walk around my car. My car is filthy, man. Filthy. So it rained it's been raining since Thursday, man. So I ain't about to wash my car, about to rain literally the next day. So, you know, I'm gonna be riding my car all dirty for another week. Cause it's supposed to rain, I think, for another 3 days. So, you know, I'll wash it probably next Thursday. Get this tool. Ooh. Hey, I have to speed up and get this Mustang. The Mustang just bag it. I remember this. This mud nasty, most. I don't know what that thing say, but y'all said the Instagram, man. This thing crazy, man. This thing is crazy, man. For sure. That thing crazy. That thing is crazy. Then you got them lights in too. Oh my goodness, that thing nasty. Boxer, Boxer S. Thing nasty. You got this Mustang again, man. This thing is crazy, dog. Try to let them pass me. Trying to get this video, man. Go there and pass me up, bro. Pass me up, bro. Go there and pass me up, bro. Y'all look at this thing. Look at this thing. This thing crazy. That thing nasty, man. Oh, man, I love that. I love that theme on that car, man. That thing is slick. Yeah, this meat so packed, I have to park at a different location. So I'm about to walk to the event and then show y'all the cars, man. It's crazy, man. Full of muscle cars. Y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna love it, man. Sure, y'all see the scene, man. This thing is like jammed all the way packed. I was also trying to get in the middle of it, but you know I couldn't. But y'all see they got the Camaros here, man. Let me fix my camera, man. This mug all lazy. Oh, I can repark my car. Oh, no, I'll be right back. I'm about to repark my car. Nah, it's alright. Bump park way back there, man. It's alright. I don't want nobody messing around scraping my car or nothing. But y'all see this Mustang though? This thing crazy, man. This thing is crazy. Y'all see them things? I like that. That's a good old Instagram, man. Man, this thing nasty. I like that. It's a wrap. It gotta be a wrap. This thing crazy. Got the Fusion right here. You got this Hemi right here. RT. Everybody call it dirty, man, because of the rain in Houston, man. But y'all see Papa, God's Hemi, man. With the powder coat blue on this thing. I like that. Like the car, man.
Thank you.
No problem. Yeah, man. Street Dynasty, man. Y'all go tap in, man. But y'all still the same, man. I get this good old thumbnail picture like this. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Good old thumbnail picture. I'm gonna take multiple, so that's potential thumbnail. Potential. But y'all see this RT thing? Bucket's 5.7. I'm gonna go around the outskirts of the meat and then go on the inside, you know what I'm saying? That's how I gotta do it. You got the DNW info, man. Boy, I got the carbon fiber beats in this thing. Ooh, wee. Y'all see that thing, man? This thing is crazy. Now I got this truck with the copyright. You got the F-150. Another F-150. Now I got this Mustang, man. Y'all see them boys, man. Got the 292, man. Underground Nation. What's going on, y'all? Nissan Z. Y'all see him, man. I might report my car for people leaving though, but y'all see the Underground Nation, man. Nice Scat. Y'all see that thing. Got the boys leaving the thing. Y'all see him. Y'all see him, man. Lucifer's 2.0, man. Dang, crazy. I like that. I'm next to a freeway, so I might not hear me that good. But y'all see all the Underground Nation car club, man. They crazy. What's going on? Yeah, man. You got the RT 1320 video. When y'all see that sticker, y'all know what that deal is, man. Y'all know what the deal is. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I see my Instagram saying going around. I got the wide body Scat, man. Y'all see that right there? That remind me of Authentic Mini. But this is the Instagram right here, man. I'm not sure if I can read that because I sure can't read that, but parking tight so I can't walk around every single car like I normally do. But y'all see this Mustang, man. M3. Got an SXT right here, man. Got another Mustang over here, man. Y'all see the scene, man. Y'all see the scene. This thing heavy, man. Got the Range Rover pulling through, man. Subies. I should have pre-parked my car at the chance. Oh well. Dang. Y'all see him, man. I should have reparked my car at the chance. I might go repark my car, y'all. I just might. But y'all see? Y'all see how the cars, man. I ain't about to just... A lot of Mustangs, man. Ted like. That's to get on Instagram and YouTube, man. Instagram and YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see this thing? This thing crazy. And this right here, man. Mirror. Yeah, I'm about to repark my car a little bit, y'all. I got parking spaces, you know what I'm saying? But y'all see all the cars, man. Y'all see the cars. I'm walking. Y'all see this thing. Houston Mopar Syndicate, man. This thing crazy. A little wide by the Hellcat, man. This thing crazy. Got the photographers, man. Mopar City, man. Y'all see all the Mopars, man. Y'all see all the Mopars. Y'all see these boys. You got the Subies too, man. Got another Hemi, got the Daytona, man. Daytona. That's different. G35. But y'all see the Subies, man. Got the Subies. What's going on, y'all? But yeah, man, that's a car meet over here at Auto Detail and Supplies, man. I'm about to go in there a little bit, man. But yeah, man. They got 392 gigs. They got all these boys out here, man. This thing is crazy. Yeah, probably can't hear me, honestly. I'm next to a freeway. Everybody just going all fast, you know what I'm saying? Speeding through here. So, got this Camaro too, man. This Camaro crazy. I was on the Instagram saying I can walk around like that. But, y'all see these things, man. Y'all see them, man. Everybody's car is kind of dirty because it's raining in Houston, you know what I'm saying? This is a nice red, that ruby red, I believe. That's my favorite one right here, man. The yellow, can't go wrong with a loud color, man. Gotta be loud, man. Gotta be loud. Y'all see that thing? Got this wide body Hellcat, man. Man, this thing is crazy. Y'all see that thing, man? Oh, crazy. Wide bodies everywhere, man. I don't know what kind of color this is, but it's crazy. It's crazy. I might get a new thumbnail picture like this, you know what I'm saying? Get it like this. Get lower. I'm gonna take multiple thumbnail pictures. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. I like the Scat though. The Scat crazy. But yeah, man, I'm about to report my car, and I'll get y'all the other footage, man. I'm about to report my car. But y'all see the little drip I got on, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to report my car, you know what I'm saying? My boy DGAT pulled up next to me, man. Turn up, man. Got my boy DGAT, jigging and jatting. Y'all see them wheels though? Y'all see him, man. Got my boy DGAT, man. That mud looking crazy. I see DGAT just aired it out on me, man. Oh man. Yeah, I got a time now, bro. Yeah, crazy. Huh? Just got here? Yeah, I just got here like 5 minutes ago. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, I don't blame you. I'm probably about to give you something to eat in a little bit. Y'all see DGAT, man. He aired it out on me real quick, man. Y'all see that thing? Ooh, that thing crazy, man. DGAT. Y'all see him, man. But yeah, man. I parked real crooked today. I don't care though. I don't want no door bangs on my car, man. I want no dings on my paint. So they over there doing, I don't know what they're doing. But y'all see Underground Nation, man. I like this little touch on here. Got Texas Hemi, I like that touch. That's nasty. That's nasty. 345 Hemi. Got the RT. Man, this thing nice, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, these RTs are fooling me, man. Just think like a Scat to me. I mean, it's all about modding your car. I'm pretty sure this is like a, man, this thing is nasty, man. That's all I can say, it's nasty. This thing is nasty. I'm taking pictures over there, you know what I'm saying? Underground Nation. But these lights on this thing is crazy, man. These things is crazy. Got this Chrysler 300. This thing crazy too, man. I like that. Y'all see the hood, man. Y'all see that thing. Got carbon fiber everywhere, man. Oh, man. Underground Nation came through, man. Y'all see him, man. Mopar City, man. Mopar City. So I'm about to take another thumbnail picture, man. Multiple thumbnail pictures. We'll see which one I use. We gonna see. We gonna see, man. We gonna see. We gonna see, man. Yeah, I like that one right there. I like that one right there, man. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. I see you taking photos, man. Hey, bro, you got an Instagram? Huh? You got an Instagram?
Instagram, yeah, man. Life of Gucci underscore.
Life of Gucci underscore?
Yes,
and I gotta tap in, man. I just taking photos. The car thing, you know what I'm saying? Huh?
Is your car here?
Yeah, it's that white Camry over there.
Over there? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna definitely go check it out.
All right, appreciate it.
YouTube too, but I'm just taking pictures right now.
All right, no problem, bro.
So
All right, appreciate it. Chill, man. Y'all see. I ain't gonna lie, man. This thing hard. I like that. They got the white snorkels, man. Got the white housing. 6.4 liter Hemi, man. I love that. They remind me of Camaros. Camaros be doing this to their hoods, man. I love that. Every time, man. This thing crazy. This thing crazy. I'm gonna take this thumbnail picture like this to go like this. Bang. You know what I'm saying? And look at this cinnamon skink. 392, man. Woo! Y'all see that thing? Cinnamon stick, man. And y'all got this beautiful thing right here, man. This the world famous glitter thing. I keep on forgetting to take an Instagram post, but this car is crazy, y'all. Glossy more sale, man. This thing is crazy. This thing is crazy, man. This thing is crazy. I got the hood open up, man. Y'all see them. Y'all see the BMW X3 though? BMW X3 is crazy. And y'all got this thing that's crazy too, man. I think it's a, I don't know where the SSD badge, but I'm pretty sure it's either a Scat or RT, man. Well, it's an RT. L, go down RT, that's crazy, man.
They just changed the cap, so he's getting.
Dang, this is crazy.
But I told him to switch it.
Y'all feel the amount of miles he put in this car? It's crazy, man. Got the deep dish on here, man. I don't know what kind of wheels that is, but they clean. They're clean wheels. Dang. Y'all see the guts of this thing? Ooh, wee. Y'all see that? Y'all see that, man? And this ain't Liberty Walk down here, man. So it's Liberty Walk kit. Y'all see the custom thing on here, man? This is crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. What's going on, bro?
What's up, dog?
How you doing? Good?
Chilling?
Doing good, bro. Got this thing looking right. Oh, yeah. You go to video on YouTube.
Hey.
What's going on? What's going on, y'all? Zay TRD.
Zay TRD.
Zay TRD. Yeah.
I'll look it up.
All right, appreciate it, bro. Y'all see my boy JQB, man. JVQ. I feel I said it wrong. Yeah, JVCU. Yeah, man. Can change the wrap up on me. This thing look real good. First time I see in the daytime, man. I see it all the time at night when they change up the wrap.
Put the before and after of how the car used to be and how it is now. It's a big difference.
Oh yeah, way different, bro. Cause at first it was like, okay, I'm not sure we're going for like a Daytona look, like a NASCAR thing.
Yeah.
Now it's like straight show car. I'm like, man, this look is crazy. Crazy. I love the touches though. Did y'all see how I flipped it? You got the black with the what kind of color? This like yellow? Sandstorm?
Sandstorm satin.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, sir.
Got the sandstorm satin with the black wrap, and you got the matte black with the sandstorm. That's a nice touch, man. Like that. He flipped it. I like that. This thing is beautiful, man. Beautiful. Then he got the wheels, man, to go with it, man. Ooh. Man, Coronas, man. JVCU, man. JVCU, man. Dang, this thing crazy. This my bro car did it. My bro did this thing, man. He did this thing. And then on this side, I see get the black one, man.
All vice versa. So everything that's on this side is on that side, but different color.
Yeah. That's a great touch, man.
Yes, sir.
That's a great touch. For sure. That way you get two different personalities of the car, you know?
Yeah.
So, I mean, yeah, it's more hard. I like that. I like that. But yeah, check the broad, man. Instagram right here, man. JVCUE, man. Y'all see him all the time on my channel. He used to have like his car at first was like this granite gray.
Granite gray with carbon fiber black stripes.
Yeah.
and it used to be kind of like it had some red stripes on it too, so that was kind of like the theme. Red, black, and carbon fiber.
Yeah.
And I switched it up now, so
Definitely. Hey, it went on with this one, hey. Cause y'all always think this car is Hellcat Migo, but because they call it very similar, but but yeah, man, he did this thing. Y'all see this challenge over here, man. Long Star sitting again. Y'all see him with the loopers on that thing. That thing is crazy. I want to put the detail in this car up, man. This thing is looking good, man. This thing looking good. I'm almost done vlogging, you know what I'm saying? I'm almost done. But y'all see Underground Nation, man. Hosted by them with Detail Garage, man. Y'all see the things, man. Y'all see them, man. Got the Scat. Y'all see them. Scat Pack Carter, y'all see him, man. This thing is crazy. Carbon fiber stripes with the red, man. Y'all see him, man. Scat Pack Carter, man. Y'all go tap in on Instagram. Y'all see him. Y'all see him, man. What's up? What's up? Got another wide body. Golly, that's like the 5th wide body in the scene out here. I think that's that smoke show gray, I think. I don't even know. Thing crazy. Ain't crazy. Got the Camaro ZL1 LT4 supercharged, man. Dang, this thing crazy. Look how aggressive that front split is, man. Look at that, man. Y'all can't say they ain't mean looking, man. This thing is crazy, dog. You have the Camaro, Chevy SS. Wide body, boy, that's little wide body. Another wide body. This wide body is city over here, man. A whole bunch of wide bodies, man. Y'all see the scene, man. Y'all see the Chevy SS, but the Chevy SS is nasty. Y'all see them wheels? Wheels is crazy. Wheels is crazy. Got this other SS right here with this wrap. I forget what kind of emblem that's for, but it's like an Australian make. It's like an Australian make on that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's the scene. Got another Mustang. Another Mustang. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, this is the scene for the day. I'm gonna take some more pictures for thumbnails. But y'all see these wide bodies, man. Ooh, y'all see these wide bodies, man. Wide body is crazy. Wide body boat. Got the wide body Charlie thing. Oh man. These things are crazy, bro. Things are crazy. Another Hellcat pulling through, man. Y'all see the scene, man. Got the wide bodies and everything. Y'all see the scene, man. Y'all see the scene. It's real deep out here, man. Let's see if they're gonna hit this thing, man. We're gonna see if they hit this thing. Truck about to hit this thing, y'all. This truck about to hit this thing, man. This truck is about to hit this thing. Y'all just see my boy King's Life pull up, so that's great. He came out, man. I ain't seen my boy in a good long little time, man. So about to get y'all go subscribe to King's Life, man. We're about to probably have some meets together, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna see, man, when he get out the car, man. We gonna see. Put my boy King's Life over here, y'all. Look at him. I'm gonna sneak up on him, y'all. He probably see me now. No, he don't. I don't think he see me. My boy King's Life in the building, man. What's going on, bro? Doing all right, man?
Make sure y'all subscribe to his
Yes,
channel.
sir, man. Y'all can subscribe to King's Life,
In
man.
my description. But yeah, man.
Hey, how you been doing, man? You doing good?
Come out.
Hey, I woke up early, so I made it.
Oh, that's right. I feel that, man. So we got a lot of nice cars out here, man.
You going to that crawfish meet later on?
I don't know. I might.
All right, that's a bit.
Yeah, I might go.
Yeah, if the rain don't rain, I'll go, you know.
Yeah, because I wasn't going to come to this, but then I was like, man, I haven't posted in like 3 days, so I need to go in and get y'all some footage.
Yeah,
so,
facts.
Yeah, man, so we got a lot of nice cars out here. They actually started the meet way back down there at, at the mall, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so I got some of that footage, so now we want to see this type of footage, so let's get this stepping on up together, man. Let's get this on real nice.
subscribe to King's like,
Yeah,
man.
I appreciate y'all, man.
Like I said, it's been a long little time since we linked up, man.
Yeah,
been a long time.
Go ahead and tune in, man.
I can bet y'all $10 you about to hit this thing. He might slide that thing. Hold on, let me see. Let me see. Alright, bro. Get your picture. We gonna see, man. He about to slide this thing. Sound good. Camaro's L1 got that popcorn, man. He started revving that thing, but got the Subi. Get that turbo, man. Get that turbo. Got the Subi. Hey, I'm about to get these pull-outs, man. Yes, sir. Time to get to work, y'all. I was gonna end this video earlier, but this might be a long video. I might make this a real premiere, y'all. This a long video. Oh, that turbo sound good. Oh, that turbo sound good. Coming down, y'all. We about to see, man. We about to see. Let's get out there. Let's get out there, man. And then Zay one time real quiet. Y'all see that bag came in, man. About to do, man. That's what these boys about to do. Y'all see that thing? Nightshade rolling through for flying. Okay. That look good, man. I see the green paint on this thing. This paint is good, man. CT4. That might be a V6 turbo. That thing look good. That thing look good. Got the boys leaving, y'all. Beautiful yellow Mustang, man. That thing beautiful. Woman driven too. Y'all see all these boys going through there. Y'all see. Y'all see that, boy? Big baby 300. Y'all see that, boy, man? Big baby. Hellcat. That's a Hellcat. That's a Scat. Oh!
boys, man. They about to swing. That's a 3000. Got the RT. Y'all see these boys leaving, man. Y'all see the boys leaving. Perfect leaving footage, man. Back in the building, man. Yeah, can't. Yeah, man. Hey, man. I thought I was gonna hit that thing. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. His police had pulled up, so he's about to get his paperwork. Y'all see this Camaro, man? He about to do something.
Let's see, y'all.
He about to do something.
Might do something, y'all. Hold on, let's see.
Y'all see the crowd? Y'all know y'all do something. The crowd come do it, man. Yes, sir.
So what's up? Got screwed, is that a standard order? You can cut the car with an order.
Got the cinnamon stick, Scat. Mug clean, man. That mug is clean. Got that bad payment, man. He probably going to that crawfish meet. I seen him last time. Check out, you know.
straight pipe down. He's definitely straight pipe. That thing loud. This the RT sound that good? Oh man. Y'all see the truck pulling through, man. Probably cabs and everything. I see the pipes, man. See the wheels. That thing low. That thing lower than my car. I bet about to swing this thing, y'all. I can bet y'all money. Bet y'all money, he about to slang it. Oh, he got the trunk up still. He got the trunk up still. Yeah, truck moving though. Yeah, he jumping the mountain. Yes, sir. That's the TRD. Yeah, yes, sir. TRD game, man. But y'all see these boys leaving the show, man. It's about to get lit. Can that thing go down? DGAT thing over there. Thanks, bro. Y'all make sure tune in to everybody's channel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dang, that's crazy. I guess I'll stay here then. They're revving the engines and stuff. They ain't about to hit that thing.
I guess I was too excited.
Man, the mob body's grip, man. The mob body's got that grip. Though I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, they hitting that thing. Well, it's coming out of nowhere, flying. So you gotta be careful. Y'all see the underground, y'all see the more. It's gonna look Got that heat, let's go. Man, this is one wild video, man. I can't lie to y'all, man. We getting lit on Sunday, man. But anyway, man, it's your boy Zay TRD checking out this video. Mr. Ooh, it's off the building, man. We dropping mangoes. We dropping mangoes all 2021, man. Anyway, man, catch y'all later, man. Anyway, man. Say, man, it's your boy Zay TRD checking out this video, you know what I'm saying? But, anyway, man, this your boy Zay TRD and Mr. Ooh is out the building, man. We dropped bangers all 2021, man. So y'all subscribe, man. Anyway, catch y'all later.